My name is Maria Angel Peterson. I'm the academic coordinator of Instituto Chileno Norteamericano de Cultura de Valparaíso, and I'm here to teach you how to make a very popular and common dish in the American cuisine. I would say popular cuisine. So what we're gonna make is sloppy joes, which is a kind of sandwich that has meat, tomato sauce, and some spices. Kids love it in the United States. So if you want to try it, I would, you won't be losing your time. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So the ingredients are ground beef, which is looking weird because I had to fall it in the microwave, oil, salt, tomato sauce, and I like to put some chopped green peppers in it to give it, like a special flavor. And also you can add some other spices as you please. So let's start cooking. Okay, so the first thing we will need is a frying pan. So we need to add some oil. It's really hard to do this with a camera. And we're gonna wait a little bit for the oil to warm up. Okay, so we're frying the bell peppers a bit. Now I'm gonna add the meat. And we gotta fry it real good. Like I told you, this is looking a little bit weird because I had to fold it in the microwave. Okay, and we are going to add a little bit of spices, which I'm using aliño completo. And some salt. Okay, so now that our meat is ready, I'm going to add some tomato sauce. You can put as much as you want it. Some people in this stage like adding sugar, but I don't really like the taste of sugar and tomato sauce. And we're gonna add some more salt, okay? And we're going to stir. And then we're gonna let the sauce cook a little bit longer. Okay, and for the final part, we need bread. Any kind of bread will do. The Americans eat it with a hamburger bun, but I have the typical Chilean panayuya here because I like it better. So we're going to bring the sauce and the meat, and we're gonna add it. This is so good. It's gonna taste real good. So that's it, your sloppy joe. And why is it called that? Because when you eat it, it's really sloppy and the meat falls everywhere.
Amigos, si les gustó el video, los invito a que se unan a nuestras redes sociales y que nos contacten por si quieren tomar un diagnóstico para saber cuál es su nivel de inglés. También los invito, si es que se animan, a entrar a nuestros cursos para que ustedes también puedan hablar un inglés fluido y se puedan comunicar. Y por último, deseo que todos estén bien. Remember, stay safe, stay home. Bye.